Hello YouTube, this is going to be a quick video. This week I usually like to keep ahead on videos, hopefully the wind noise isn't bad, and have some in the can ready to go. I've been kind of sick lately, so I don't have anything, and this morning this popped up on Facebook Marketplace. It's a Rockwell Delta scroll saw. Thinking this one's probably 1950s. We'll have to see if we can get a date on it. Price was too good to refuse. It's not currently working, having some sort of electrical issue. Figured we could take a look at that, see if we can get that motor working. So be a project or two for the channel. So that is its serial number is AW8491. We'll look that up, see what we can find out on it. It's a Rockwell Delta motor on it. See if we can get a date on it. They made this same saw for many years, so it might be newer, might be older. I think this is maybe even 60s or 70s, but it's a good saw. It's a really good piece of equipment, and we'll see if we can get it running again. So maybe I might put up an extra video this week because this is so short. But if you like what I do here at the Busted Knuckle Workshop, please hit the subscribe button below on YouTube. Click the bell next to it for notifications on when I post new videos. And we will see you next time here on the Busted Knuckle Workshop.